When we talk about predicting the products of decomposition reactions, it's kind of tough because there's a lot of different categories that we can fit these decomposition reactions into. So we're going to look in this video about the chlorates in particular, potassium chlorate, magnesium chlorate, and we're going to use this pattern here to make it kind of easier to figure out what those products will be. If you need help with the other types of decomposition reactions or just predicting the products of chemical reactions in general, check out my YouTube channel page right here. And then if you go down a little bit, you'll see these courses right here. And that's where you can find a course just on predicting the products of chemical reactions. All right, but you're interested in chlorates, so let's do that. So here's the general pattern. We have a metal, the metal right there, that's the potassium. And then we have the chlorate. This is the chlorate polyatomic ion. It'll always have a 1- ionic charge. So potassium chlorate. So right here, this is the chlorate that we're dealing with. So when the chlorate, it decomposes, we're going to get the metal, that's the potassium, and then we're going to have chlorine, Cl. So potassium chloride, and then oxygen gas. In this video, I won't balance reactions or write the states. We really don't need to do that. The one thing we do need to watch out is make sure that the charges for these ionic compounds, they match up. And since we have 1+ and 1-, we're good. We can just leave this as KCl. And so that's the pattern for the decomposition of the chlorate. Pause, give this one a try. So we have our metal, and then we have our chlorate here. So we have the metal and the chlorine, NaCl, then we have plus oxygen gas. Sodium's in group 1 with potassium. Chlorine, that's going to be 1-. So charges work out there. We're good. Let's try one more. Here, if we look on the periodic table, aluminum, that's going to be 3+. The whole chlorate ion is 1-. So predict the products for the decomposition of aluminum chlorate. So we have our metal, aluminum, and then we have the chlorine after that, plus O2. And again, we said aluminum, that's 3+. The chlorine, that's 1-. So we need 3 chlorines here for this to balance, for these charges here to balance in this ionic compound. So that's how you figure out the products for the decomposition of chlorates. It follows this pattern where we have our metal with the chlorate ion, we have our metal with just chlorine, and then we end up with oxygen gas. So now you're done here. Check out the other types of decomposition reactions or just predicting the products of chemical reactions in general. You can find the course on my channel page. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.